fire department would like to have a moment of silence for the firefighters that have recently lost their lives in the line of duty. One of those firefighters is Luke Sheehy, a U.S. Forest Service smoke jumper from Redding, California, who was killed in the line of duty fighting a fire in Modoc County on June 10, 2013. And also in memory of the 19 Prescott firefighters who lost their lives in Yarnell, Arizona on Sunday, June 30th. Andrew Ashcraft, Anthony Rose, Christopher McKenzie, Clayton Whitted, Dustin Deefer, Garrett Studinger, Brandon Lee, Jesse Steve, Joe Christie, John Pearson, Kevin Wojcik, Eric Marsh, Robert Caldwell, Scott Norris, Sean Wiesner, Travis Carter, Travis Turkito, Wade Parker, and William Warner.